Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here. Got a repair report for Ty in Ohio. Unit Grand XL, come in DOA, no receive, no transmit, no output. We got it all fixed up for you, buddy. There's your receive. Up here where the locals talk. Yep, she is hammering down. Let's turn that down a little bit. You want about 1.5 watts of dead key, Ty. On the low side of the Bulldog, 10 watt scale. 1 watt, 2 watt, 1.5. 1.5 watts dead key. We're going with a 25 watt scale. Reading the top set of numbers, 15 watts. Hello, audio. Standard mic on it, it'll whistle 15, talk 13 watts. About right for these XLs. Make you a good talking radio, Ty. Unit Grand XL, Truck CB Sales. Bop bop.